Hey again. If you remember our first video on our Twitter apps, we did this simple design. We have tweets, like dummy tweets, and we have this for now post. So now what I want to allow some person to write something, select image, and click send. He will save this information in the database. So really easy process. I have text, image I have already implemented for loading into the database. I take the text, create node, and save in the database. So to do that, hey, straightforward. I just go to my code. What I have so far, I have a main activity. In the main activity, look for this part, for add ticket. In add ticket, we have different thing. Let me talk about first one, which is the button when you click it, like the button for attachment. So if you see, this is attachment button. It is image view, so name it AV attach. Okay, so to access to it in the code here, okay, you say this thing. Let me remove this one. You say, okay, in my view dot AV attach, which is have the information about the AV attach, dot set on click listener, like set and to listen on a click listener, make it on a click listener, which is cool for me. So now I'm listening to on a click. I already have this thing implemented in the login. I'm loading image and other stuff, selecting image. So let me see what we have here. We have here something, name it load image. Where is it? I don't need the permission base because the permission already granted from previous page. I have this one for load image, and this one will retrieve the image as an image. Okay, so I will take these three things, and I will go back to my page, which is this main activity, and paste that code outside anything here for load image. Okay, so someone make sure from my code. So import, he will import all the needed things. Load image will not have any problem with it, but I think we will have a problem in on activity result. Why? Because in an activity result, we suppose there is image, and this image have to be added in the img view. For here, we don't have that image. So now I don't want to add here. I want just upload the directory. I say, hey, upload image, and that is. So that means there have to be image here, a function for upload image. Okay, that responsible for taking the bitmap image from here and upload it. So it will take bitmap, which is bitmap. Okay, I just changed the image to bitmap and upload it. So when someone here getting the image as a bitmap directory, if I go to my login page, in the login, you remember we did upload for the image, and there is many steps we did it for this one, getting image, file, path, all this information. Let me just copy it and remove the things that I don't need. So copy them, go back to my code, which is main activity. This is. So we have number of steps here in our image process. We see bitmap image. I don't need to get information about the user email because I don't need it. If I want to get my current user, I could get it from the bundle. Do you remember when we login here, we pass it, when we did a login, we passed email in the bundle. So here, when he start up, he could get the email. So you say, hey, before you do this, please define B, which is bundle, okay, or variable B, var B, which is bar B, which is bundle, and this one get from the intent, get the extra. So intent dot extra. So he will get the extra thing, we have it, and I want to add this one in the email. So let me suppose here variable my email. I have the information about my email, should be string and null. Okay, this is my email, and I could set it from this one by saying, hey, b dot get string. Okay, because I want to get string. I know the key that I have to read it from login. If you see, I have email. Okay, cool. Take email, pass it. Now this one will have my email. Going down below, instead of getting current user, the email now have the email. So just remove this and I see when to use it. You see here, take it. But if you see simplicity string is not implemented also here. So if I go here back, I see a function for simplicity string, which is better to copy it and use it in this method also. So most of our work in this class is copy paste. So here you go. Now I have this part for splitting string, my email when it's not null. Make sure it's not null. Creating path for image and all that thing. I don't think I need to do some part for the cacheable. This one I don't need both of them. Convert it to bitmap I don't have there because it's already coming as a bitmap. So until this line, remove it because the image already will become as a bitmap. And that is done. When he complete, I will have a download URL. So it is better this download URL to be something public, like outside the function. I say, hey, variable downloadable URL will be a string, and for sure, for now, it doesn't have anything as initial value. Why? Because I need to set this variable in this method. So this variable, set it. So what we did, I will tell you in the basic. When someone click on attach, okay, which this one, we have to call load image because you want to load image, okay? So he click this one, he load image. So when you click attach in the ticket, we call load image. Load image will ask user to select image. When he select the image, he will take that image and send it to upload. This image will be uploaded to the Firebase. It is images. Let me name it images post, which is this different folder. So I have to create a new folder in my Firebase, name it images post. So save the post images in it. It's different from the normal images. So images post. So he uploaded to that folder, taking image and uploaded. Finally, I have downloadable URL. So now this one will have all the information I needed. Download URL, I have it. So now I want when someone click on the post, which is this one, he click post, I have to listen to it and send the URL and send the text to the server. So to do that, just I have it here already, the code for this one. After he select upload, I say, hey, my view dots that one image post dot set on click listener. When someone click on a click listener, I say on a click, which should be capital, on click listener. So easy process. Hey, I'm gonna click listener, listen for anyone who click the post. If someone click on the post, I need to upload to the server, upload the server. Okay, so I need to upload to the server. You know how we do that. First of all, we need to have an instance from the Firebase, same as we have in the login. So copy that line, go back here and copy these lines for instance from the server, which is Firebase server, database server. So in the database, I would say here in my post, I say, hey, data my reference dot child, add child. Inside it, add something named posts, okay? Have information about the user posts. This one, add the child for it, which is, I could say push because every push have different ID. So he will add a specific unique ID. This unique ID has different information. Child for the name or user UID, the UID of the user who did the post to set value. I will add user UID inside it. You say from where I bring user UID. You remember in the login, we pass to the main activity when we call it, he will pass for us UID in the extra. So I could get the UID from here if I just define my variable UID, it is string by initial value as null, and make sure, hey, and make sure here is initialized in the same way that we initialized b. Also b.get string. But we are not using email, we have to use UID. Why? Because here we use UID, so when I get it as a UID when I log in. So the user UID, I have it now. That's good. So what the other information I need to pass it to the post? I have now UID. What the things I need the post text. So I say the text that this post have. I would suppose whatever he added in the add text, which is this one, which is named et post. Okay. So that's mean whatever he add here, that's mean et post, which is my view dot et post dot text dot to string. Make sure it convert to string. What is the third one? The downloadable URL for the image. So I say post image. Okay, for sure I have it to be downloadable URL here. Okay, so get it, downloadable URL. So 3 information will be passed under the save. So what I will do, I just run it on the device that I have it and click OK and wait for some time until he will be able to show me the application in the device. So let me see what is going on. I click on image, let me select any images from my images. I select this image, it just doesn't show me anything, then that is good if he doesn't show me, and I say in way. Okay, then if I hit send, he have to send it. If you see, he just send it. I just repeat that post 2 times. You see, this is the post, have UID only. Why the post? See, he just have UID, then you have a text. Wow. I understand the error. Where is it? I did different push here. Like you see in the code here in the pushing, I did different type of push, which is not correct. Like push, he create different ID, push different ID, push different ID, which is not good. So it is better to make 3 of them using same push, like same part of the push. Okay, so how to fix this? So how to fix this? To fix this, first of all, we have to think about these 3 things as one object: username, text, post image. So for that reason, I have to create a new class. I will name it here Kotlin. I will name it post info. Okay, that will have information about the post. This post info should be class, and this class should have 3 properties. First, if you see it here in the main activity, first property is user text. So make sure this post info have variable the user ID, which is string, initially equal null, and have 2 more properties for the text and let me see what the 2 more properties he have for the text also, and also he have for use image, I think. So second thing, we have to do constructor for this. I say, hey, I have a constructor, and this constructor will initialize this 3 variables. So I have this 3 variable as constructor. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Third thing, we just set them. So I say, hey, this dot user ID equal user ID, this dot text equal text, and this dot post image dot post image. So now this 3 information, I will pass them as a single object to the push. So push will get them in this way. So he will get post info, which have this information. First one is the user URL. Second one will be the image. Third one will be the download URL. So make sure to add it in multi-line, make it easy. And this one multi-line, and the third one will be this one, and I no longer need these 2 parts. So that's mean what we did is this. Let me just close it and make sure everything is cool, don't have any problem. What we did is I say here set value. So what we did is this UI. Why he just don't accept the UID now? He say maybe nullable. Okay, and this download also may be nullable, I think. So what we did here, I say, hey, create 1 node for me, name it push, and add inside it object, name it post object. This post object pass 3 parameter. So when he go here to this post object, he will consider this 3 parameter. He have them, so it's better to define them as a public. Well, they already public, so you don't need define a public. So he sent 3 parameter. So he will already create node have 3 properties, and you try avoid that stupid error that you see it. So if you just go to the or code again, And let me see if we was able to fix this one or not. So I say adding posts, select image, whatever any images that you would like. Suppose selecting this image, and I select hi and post. I think now I'm good, I think, because he doesn't tell me anything, and hopefully I'm good. So let me just refresh, seeing if he was able to load the image. Yes, he was able to load the image, but I understand now what's the problem, because I have to give it time until he will be able to, before clicking post. Before I click post, I have to give it time, so he will be able to upload the image. See, now. So there was not any problem before, but now if I just select this, like select image, I have to give it specific time. I have to show them loading while he is complete loading the image to the server. Now when he done, give it some time. I say in the way. Then I click post. He have to be able to post it. So now if you just go, you see this new post with image and the way and this one. I will remove this node only because it had a problem and keep both two nodes. So here we done. Thank you for watching.